Can you please explain how having a personal mantra makes our meditation better?
Yeah, Sahaj Samadhi is the most easy, most beautiful way, Sahaj, very natural way of transcending thoughts, going into the source of our existence. So, with this what you take a personal mantra and you keep it inside. It's like sowing a seed and closing the soil on top. Then that seed has roots below and shoots above. That will come like that. So Sahaj Samadhi is such a sowing of the seed of meditation. Then, every day you practice and you will see so much bliss and clarity, calmness, intuition, everything springs in life. Yeah. And this you can do any place, anywhere. You are traveling in the train, car or plane, only if you are not driving. You can do it. It's very easy. Twice a day you do it. And now the doctors, researchers have found out, if you meditate even 8 weeks or 2 months, the gray matter in the brain increases. No exercise can make the gray matter increase, only meditation. And it changes the structure of the brain. It changes structure of the brain. The brain becomes much more vibrant. More intuitive, more creative, more happier brain. So we need that happier brain. Today, we see depression is taking over the planet Earth in a big way. And in Canada, they did research on Sahaj Samadhi. There is one London in Canada, Ontario. There, the medical college did research on Sahaj Samadhi. They said, when through medication, they could only control but 20% the depression, but through Sahaj Samadhi, it went up to 70%. 70% depression, people got benefit out of it. Depression gone. So, it is very, very beneficial. Must do. And it also increases the good vibration around us. Our vibration becomes positive.